Hello guys, hello. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Athi River where I stay. Yeah, in the residential areas. This is where I stay. You can see guys, that is a tanker, water tanker. Yeah, that's water tanker. This is Athi River. This is where I stay. Guys, do you know Athi River is an old town? Athi River is an old town. The people you see are the laborers for the EPZ processing zone. They are coming from work, guys. They work in shifts, so they are coming from their shift, then others will join another shift. I was telling you Athi River is an old town, very old. Athi River generally it is 125 years old. Can you imagine? Athi River is 125 years old. It's older than Nairobi. It's older than Nairobi. Nairobi is 127. Yes, guys. Yeah. Forgive me for my English. My English is Englishin. Just bear with me. Now I was saying Athi River is 125 years old, older than Nairobi. Athi River came to the limelight when the Uganda Railway was being built. That's when Athi River was discovered. And the name Athi River comes from the famous river, Athi River. When the Uganda Railway was being built, when they reached Athi Plains, that's when a former stone railway was built to solidify its status as a permanent settlement and a checkpoint. Athi Railway. That was in 1920. You can imagine, I was not even born. I don't think even there was somewhere I was being discussed to be born. Even my own parents. That's how old is Athi River. Now, Athi River also, it was enjoined with the Nairobi County. But in 1963, when Kenya gained independence, that's when it was separated from Nairobi County Council and it was given its local administration as Mavoko County. Mavoko Township. Yeah, Mavoko Township. It is called Mavoko Township in Machakos County. Athi River is a very busy town and it is an industrial hub. Many industries are in Athi River. Many industries. So we can say Athi River is a game changer, or the movers and shakers of our country, Kenya. Just imagine this small town, this dusty town, this dry town. It is part of movers and shakers of Kenya. Where I am, guys, the fence you see, this is fence to EPZ processing zone. Did you know that the EPZ processing zone in Athi River is the largest? There are so many. There is EPZ in Nairobi, EPZ in Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale. The people you see are laborers from the EPZ. Yeah, they're coming from work. But Athi River is the largest. Athi River is the largest export processing zone. This is their face. We are just separated by the fence. The residential area is this side, and this is EPZ. People have established a market area just outside EPZ gates where the workers buy bogas, kumas, nyanyas, tomatoes when they are going home. It's also creating jobs for the locals. So as I was saying, the river is an old town and is part of movers and shakers in Kenya, because here in Athi River it is an industrial hub where we have all the big companies for cements are here. Buri Cement, Portlands, Ndovu, Savannah, name it. They are all here. They are all here in Athi River. Also companies that make steels like Deviki, they are here. So it's a very big, busy industrial hub town. And now you can see the largest company, the EPZ, is within Athi River Township. You can see, guys, this is Gate B. Imagine from here, imagine how Athi River it is, how big the EPZ is. I'm in Athi River and EPZ goes all the way in Kitengela. You can see inside the gate now. That is EPZ. I don't know whether I'll be allowed to enter, but that's our workers from the EPZ coming from work now. The gate inside it is EPZ. As I was saying, EPZ is very big, the largest. Imagine now I'm in Athi River, and from here to this is a back gate. This is a back gate. There's a main gate. The main gate is in Kitengela town. From where I am to the main gate of the EPZ is 10 kilometers. You can imagine how big it is. It is the largest in Kenya. It's the mother of all the EPZs. Here they make garments, they process coffee, they process tents and chairs. Here in this EPZ of Athi River. I don't know whether I'll be allowed to enter, but I'll try. That's a small history of Athi River and the largest company. You can see companies from the outside. It was established by the government, EPZ now, in the 90s. In the 90s, that is when it was officially opened by the government. See, this is a market, a very big market for the workers. When they come from work, They pass here, they buy food, everything. I don't know whether I'll be allowed to enter to show you briefly. This is the river, residential places, residential homes. Again, guys, forgive me for my English. My English is Englishing. Now this one is EPZ. Now this is EPZ. We are not allowed to enter. You can see workers coming from work. This is EPZ Gate D. From where I am to the official main gate is 10 kilometers, you can imagine. If there was allowed to enter, I can enter, but I don't know, I don't think I'll be allowed. Thank you guys for watching.